squatter. You don't live in the real world. He live on a fucking bums. He lives on a fucking bums finance. He live on a bums. He don't live in the real world. He live like a fucking bum. Look at that. He use a coffee maker. He lose a couple of 100 watts out his box. Nigga's a fucking bum, yo. Little stinky, toothless, nasty looking bum. Look at the headbang of 45 cal video. You see how that fucking little short midget bum look like. That's my lady.
Well, he just admitted that Debbie never said that because no woman would stay in a man's bed for 5 years if she didn't like his baby what?
Motherfucker wear a size. You wear a size 6.
That's how I know he never spoke to Debbie. Debbie used to buy my clothes. She could tell you Richie's 10.5 and 11 in sneakers and 38.40 on the waist.
Well, it's better. Size and shit. This motherfucker got a size 5, man. Like when the last time I wore a size, I think I was like...
From 6 to 5 in a matter of a minute. Me, he got me as a shrinking midget, don't he, Public?
A little kid body and shit. I ain't got him. I seen him on fucking... He made his own video. Little midget. Little midget with a peanut head. Usually midgets, they got the big Tonka, the fucking big Tonka toy head on a little body. This one right here, he got a little peanut head. Yeah. Normally you see a midget, he got a big giant head on a little body. In this particular case, Richie got a little peanut head, little pea head. Little underdeveloped ass motherfucker. You can try to disillude people out here with the airwave shit, man. When you meet them, you be like, oh shit, motherfucker was right. Man, you look at fucking Dirtbag 127 video. This motherfucker, he dressed like he on Gilligan's Island. Motherfucker, he would hold up his pants with a rope. Dead serious, man. Yo, this nigga's a total fucking bum.
I'm a true nature's child, and I was born to be wild. I could fly so high, never gonna die. Ask him how long he knows Richie, how he met Richie, how he knows Richie got a peanut. Oh, I'm sorry. He got his photos and his info off Richie's videos. My apologies, public.
I want to be Silver Tongue Devils. But the Silver Tongue Devils, them motherfuckers are in office working for the president. Nigga, you get it.
Boy, that stuck in his brain, bro. How the silver-tongued devil took over his mind, brain, body, soul, and created his video channel and his own brain personal war. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm shitting on you. The silver-tongued devil took control.
Funny thing about that, if you wouldn't have remembered